Welcome to Math YouTube channel. Today in this class I am explaining about partnership. This is an important chapter in competitive exams because some problems are there in competitive exams from partnership chapter. Okay. Now what is partnership? Suppose if two persons jointly do some business, that is called partners. Those are called partners. What the deal is there between them is called partnership. So two persons can do a business by doing jointly is called a partners. Those are called partners, and the deal between them is known as a partnership. Okay. Now see this one. A business run by two persons or more persons, whatever it may be. Two persons or more, okay, no problem about that. Two persons jointly, then two persons are called partners, and the deal is known as partnership. Deal between them is known as a partnership. Simply, whenever a business can be done by two or more persons jointly is called partners, and the deal between them is known as a partnership. Okay, simple that one. Now take this ratio of division of gain. How gain can be distributed or loss can be distributed among them. So okay, some business gets loss, some business gets gain. Not all the business are gain, not all the business are loss. Okay, so whenever there is a loss will distribute among them, and whenever there is a gain also distribute among them. That is partnership. Yes or not? So division of distribution gains. Okay, if in the business is there a gain, how distributed means when the investments of all the partners are at the same time. So investment are same time. Suppose such a date, fixed date, are all on the same date, then gain is also distributed same ratio. So gain also in the same ratio means some persons are 1%, some persons are 10%, some persons are 15%, some persons are 70%. Okay, depends upon the percentage. The gain will be distributed among them. That is as at the same date. Okay, so when the investments are of all the partners are at the same time, then gain is also distributed to the same ratio. So same time, same ratio. If A and B are two partners, for example, their investments are XY. Their investments are X and Y respectively. Then at the end of the year, how to then distribute the shares means A's share profit is to B share profit. So how much he invested, how much amount he invested, that depends upon that he gets some profit, and also how much amount is B is invested, depends upon that he gets profit. Okay, so those are at the same time, profits also get the same ratio, depends upon the investment, how much percent is invested in business. Okay, so that is different too. If investment are not at the same time, that is different from this. Okay, so different times different investments are there, depends upon that we can get the gain. Okay, so now capitals or investments are different or at different time periods. Suppose A can invest in January and B joined with A at February, and also C can be joined with A and B on March. So in this way investments are different in different months, but at the end of the year the gain is distributed or loss is distributed among those depends on the ratio of investments. That means suppose A can invest some amount 1 lakh for 10 months. So 10 into 1 lakh is 10 into 1 lakh, 10 lakh. So A invests 10 lakh. In the same manner, B invests some amount. So depends upon that ratio, gain or loss can be distributed among those partners. That is different time periods. Okay, see here, investments are at different periods, not at the same time. So in this case, investments will be calculated for a unit of time taking. Okay, unit of time taking, how much time will be there and how much investment will be happening in that period. That depends upon that period, depends upon that capital, the gain or loss will be distributed. So that is capital into number of units. Yes, capital means some 1 lakh, number of units means how many units are there, by multiply that we can get the capital. Okay, now the gain or loss is distributed their capitals. So gain or loss is divided in the ratio of their capitals. Okay, that is about different time period. In the same manner, suppose A invest or X rupees for P months. Okay, A can invest some X rupees, some 1 lakh, 10 lakh or 1 crore, 10 crore, whatever it is. This is X for P months, some time period, 10 months, 5 months or for 6 months or 1 year. Okay, no problem. And the investment of B is say Y for RX Y per rupees Y for Q months. Then A's profit or B's profit is XP, means X rupees into P months for A, and Y rupees per Q months for B. Depends upon this ratio, depends on this capital, the ratio, the gain or loss will be distributed among both A and B partners. So dear friends, depends upon this, the gain or loss will be distributed among the partners. There is a deal is there, agreement is there between the partners. Depends upon units, means suppose 10 units are there, 4 units taken by A, 2 units taken by B, and remaining 4 units taken by C. So depends upon that capital, the ratio of division of gain or loss will be distributed or divided among those partners. This is very important deal between the partners, because the big organizations or industries or factories or companies do the business by doing partners. Those are shares. Yes or not? So that is most important in business, to maintain the business, to improve the business, to capitalize the business on the whole of the year. Okay. So of the normally in March, those will be distributed the loss or gain of the company. Some companies are June, some companies are October. Depends upon management that will be decided at what time the gain or loss will be distributed among the partners. Okay. So this is about different time periods. Depends upon different capitals. Depends upon that the ratio of division of profit or loss can be distributed among the partners. Okay, this is about different time periods. Okay. Okay, another important point is here, partners are of different types. Partners are of different types: working partner and sleeping partner. So what is working partner and what is sleeping partner? That is most important. So here we can see working partner and sleeping partner. What is sleeping partner? What is working partner? Simple. Suppose 10 members are there in a business to maintain the company. It's a large company, it's an industry. So who can maintain the business? 1 person or 2 persons or 3 persons or 4 persons, whatever it may be. Who maintain the business? Who run the business? Those persons are called working partners. So who runs the business? 1 person, he runs the business, so he is called a working partner. Partnership, he runs the business. Okay, that is working partner. Okay, another one is sleeping partner. A partner simply invest the money, that's all. He is in house itself. He is not doing anything in the business. He is not entering into the business. He only invests the money. He only gives the money for the business. That's all. He is called sleeping partner. That means he is not doing anything or any transactions or any changes in his business. He don't do anything, but he invests the money simply. He gives the money for the business, for the partners. So those persons are called, that type of person is called a sleeping partner. Yes. So dear friends, the two types of partners are there: working partner and sleeping partner. Working partner is nothing but he runs the business. Simple. Who runs the business is called working partner. Who simply invests the money and didn't do anything, any business, any changes and transactions in the business is called sleeping partner. Sleeping means sleeping. That's why he simply sleeps. Don't do anything. He simply invests the money. That is sleeping partner. A run business, who runs the business is called working partner. This is about partnership. Okay. So dear friends, in the next class we can do some problems regarding this partnership. Okay, it's very important chapter and also useful in future, not only in competitive exams but also in future for business or some other things. Okay. So thanks for watching MathWeb YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel MathWeb and hit on bell icons to get more information. Thank you.